Hey guys, this is Mike with VaporFi. Today I'd like to show you how to use and maintain your VaporFi Volt hybrid tank system. First, let's look at the Volt. The Volt is a bottom coil hybrid tank system. A hybrid tank system means that you have replacement atomizer heads or a rebuildable atomizer deck if you want to rebuild your coils. Your Volt comes in a box with one Volt tank with a 0.5 replaceable atomizer head installed, one Volt instruction manual, one bag of Japanese organic cotton, one bag of spares including one extra 0.5 ohm rebuildable coil, 3 spare O-rings, some screws, and one screwdriver. One extra glass tank, the rebuildable deck, and one 1.2 ohm replacement atomizer head. To fill the tank, you need to remove the base at the bottom of the tank. Once you remove the base, fill the tank with liquid. Be sure to stop right before the top of this tube in the middle of the tank. Let's take a moment to look at the atomizer head and how to replace them. These are organic cotton coil heads. Being organic cotton, you must be sure to prime your cotton wicks before you use them. Do this by dripping 4 to 5 drops on the cotton inside the atomizer head. Do not under any circumstances dry burn your atomizer heads. First, let's talk about when you should change your atomizer heads. Atomizer heads will last between 1 to 4 weeks depending on how frequently you use your device. When you get a burnt taste or produce little to no vapor, it is usually time to replace your atomizer head. To replace your atomizer head, simply remove it from the base of the tank by unscrewing it counterclockwise. Discard the old atomizer head and replace it with the new atomizer head by screwing in the new atomizer head on clockwise. Please be sure not to over-tighten the atomizer head onto the base. Now let's look at the rebuildable atomizer deck. The rebuildable atomizer deck allows you to rebuild coils if you so choose. You access the rebuildable deck by removing the cap and barrel section of the deck. Now that we have the deck exposed, you can see the pre-installed coil with the leads attached at the opposite ends of the deck. These leads are held down by 2 screws. To mount some wick, grab your bag of Japanese cotton, cut a small strip of the sheet 1/4 of an inch thick, then split the strip in half. Now take your strip, pinch one side between your fingers. And slide it through the coil. It should slide freely through the coil. Cut the wick, leaving 1/4 of an inch on each side. Drip a few drops on the wick. Push down the wicks on each side of the deck. Replace your cap and barrel onto the deck. And screw onto your base. Now that we have the rebuildable tank section back on, let's screw the base of the tank back onto the body of the tank. Again, please do not over tighten the base of the tank. These tanks have O-rings which work to keep an airtight seal. When you over tighten the tanks, the seals are crushed and the airtight seal is broken. These holes here at the base of the tank allow for airflow. The airflow in the volt is adjustable, allowing you to increase or decrease the draw of your electronic cigarette. You can close or open the draw by moving the ring over the opening. I hope you enjoy your new VaporFi Volt bottom coil rebuildable tank system. This is Mike from VaporFi. Thanks for watching.